Hello students, now come to the next question. Question number 7 of the exercise. Question number 7 says that a milkman sold two of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one, he made a gain of 5%. On the other, he made a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. See in this question, a milkman sold two of his buffalo each at rupees 20,000. Okay. In the first buffalo, he made 5% gain. In the second buffalo, he made 10% loss. So the question is asking what is the overall gain or loss. See how we will compare whether there is a gain or loss. Whenever we are having a selling price and cost price, by looking these two values, we can say there is a gain or loss. If selling price is greater than cost price, there will be a gain. If cost price is greater than selling price, then there will be a loss. Right now we are having selling price is sold. So selling price of both the buffalo is how much? 20,000. So it means the total selling price is how much? 40,000. Because each buffalo because selling price of each buffalo is how much? 20,000. So two buffalo will be 40,000. Now we need to find the cost price of each buffalo. See how we will find out. Okay. Let's for say first buffalo. Okay. For first buffalo, here we have this one selling price. Selling price equal to how much? Rupees 20,000. Okay, and gain is how much? In percentage will be 5%. Therefore, cost price equal to how much? 100 by 100 plus gain percentage. Let me write the formula first. Gain into selling price, that is 100 by 100 plus 5 into 20,000. Okay, so it will be 100 by 105 into 20,000. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 zeros, 2 8 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 comma. So by 105. If we divide this one, it will be 21. It will be how much? 5404 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 zeros. It's 4 lakh. So it will be equal to 4 lakh by 21. 112 lakh. 4 lakh by 21. So if we divide this one, how much we will get? See here. Is time consuming. 1 2 3 4 5 6 21. So how much? It will be 19. Okay. So this 0 will come here 0. So by 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So 1. This 0 will come here. Is smaller than, again this 0 will come here. So for this place will 0. Then by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 84. How much we are getting? 6. 1. Then this 0 will come here. 0. Then 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 is 14. How much we are getting? 3 here and 1. Then we will take decimal. Then 0. Then how much? 30 though. 6 12. 6. 6 is 6 is 12. 26. So 4 we will take. Again decimal is there. 0 we will take. 40. 1 is 21. How much we will get? 40 21. Again 19 we will get. Okay, again we will put 9. Then how much we will get? 190 189 in this way. So we will take two decimal places right now. Okay, because we are dealing with currency rupees, so after decimal we will take two digits. So here it is 9. So we will increase, it is greater than 5, so we will increase this value to 2. So the price will be equal to how much? We will write here 19 Let me write here. Okay, this piece is very less here. It's 21, so it is 4 21 equal to 19047.62. This is the cost price of first buffalo. See, he bought the buffalo in 19,000 something and he sold it at rupees 20,000. Definitely there will be a gain. Now come to the next buffalo. Okay, for next buffalo, suppose for second buffalo. Okay, this one will be selling price, same thing, rupees 20,000. This time loss percent equal to how much? 10% loss. Therefore cost price equal to how much? 100 by 100 minus loss into selling price. So here we will write 100 by 100 minus 10 into 20,000. So it is 10 by 90 into 20000. Okay, 00 cancel. So how much? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 lakh we will write. Okay, by 9. If you divide this one, see here. Sorry, 2 lakh na. 9 2 is 18. Again this 0 will come here. 9 2 is 18. Again to this 0 will come here. 9 2 is 18. Again to this 0 will come here. 9 2 is 18. Again to this 0 will come down. 9 2 is 18. Again to we will take decimal, then 0. 9 2 is 18. Again to decimal is there, 0. 9 2 is 18. So in this way you will get 2 to keep on, you will keep on dividing, you will get 2. So we will take only 2 digits after decimal. So the price is how much? We will get 1 2 3 4 5. No, 1 2 3 4 5.22. So in this case, see, in the second buffalo you will see here, in the second buffalo, the buffalo bought the buffalo at rupees 22,000 something and he sold it at 20,000. Definitely there will be a loss. Now total selling price. Now total selling price equal to how much? 20,000 plus 20,000 equal to how much? 40,000. Okay, and total cost price equal to how much? This one, 19,047.62 paise plus this one, 22,222.22 paise. So how much? 2 plus 2 4, 6 7 8 decimal, 7 8 9, 4 5 6, 2 9 10 11, carry 1 3 4. See, 41,269. See, the selling price was how much? 40,000. And the cost price how much? 41,000. Selling price only 40,000. Cost price 41,269.84 paise. So definitely we can say clearly CP is greater than SP. So there is a loss. So find the overall gain or loss. Okay. Therefore loss equal to how much? 41,269.84 minus 40,000. Is it clear? So we will subtract this one. See, look at here. 41,269.84. Here 40,000.00. 48.9621. See, it's very simple, very simple. So how much? 1269.84 paise. So he made a loss of this much of amount. How much? He made a loss of 1269.84 paise. So I hope you have understood this part. First, we need to find the cost price of first buffalo and the cost price of second buffalo, and then by adding both the selling price and cost price, we can conclude whether there is a loss and or gain. Right now, in this case, we got loss. Okay. I hope you have understood this part. Thank you.